In part 3 of this video series on how to create a digital vision board using Canva, I just wanted to explain a little bit about animation. So if you did want this to be an MP4, like a video file, what you can do is animate elements. So I can animate text. To animate text, I will click on the text. When the text is highlighted, there's a box around the outside, and I can go up to my toolbar and tap on animate. When I tap on animate, all these different animation options are available. I personally like typewriter, so I'll go ahead and click on that. I'm going to have the words, or I should say the characters, come in, enter character, and slow it down a bit. So every time you click on one of these, it will show you, don't even have to click on it. You can hover over top of this thumbnail. It will display for you what that looks like, what that animation looks like. And then when you click on an animation, sometimes sub options appear. So in this case, typewriter is allowing me to animate on entry and exit, increase or decrease the speed, and animate words or by character. So you can click on each one of these to see what it looks like and then choose which one you want or how you want it animated. I'll do the same thing down here with my word of the year is profit. Okay, so I will click on that and I will click on animate. And then I will, again, I like typewriter. I'll choose that on enter, slow it down a little bit, and then choose character. Okay, so I have the text animating for these two statements that I have here. And then this airplane, I'll show you something kind of cool. When you click on the airplane, you can choose any of these animation options, or you can create your own animation. And what that basically allows you to do is give instructions to Canva as to how you want the animation to occur. So I'm going to select the airplane, and then I'm going to click on create an animation. And then basically what I do is I can fly it in. Okay, and then it'll fly on the screen. So I'll just show you what it looks like if I was to run this video by clicking on the top right hand corner button called present. And there you can see the text is animated, the airplane's coming in. Okay. I can do a whole bunch of things with animation. I can click on all of these and have them come in different ways. So for example, this picture here, my husband and I with the motorcycle, I can click animate and then I can tell it to fade in, right? So I can click on any one of these and I can apply animation. So you can apply whatever animation you want. And then to test it out, to see what it looks like, you would click on the presentation button up here. So tap on that, and then it will animate for you based on the options you chose. Okay. So, yep. All right. So now, lastly, what I'd like to do is show you how you can add music. So on the left-hand sidebar here, I'm going to scroll down and look for audio, tap on audio, and then I'm going to find, I don't know, music that is either got happy in the title or it's like considered happy music based on the description. When you find a title you like, you just click on the thumbnail and listen. Okay. Again, click on the no. Click on the thumbnail. That's a no. That is fun, but too short. So just click on until you find the right one. When you find the right one, actually, I think that first one I clicked on is pretty much. When you find the one you like, you just drag and drop it onto the picture. So I drag and dropped it onto the picture. And when I did that, what happens is the bottom here, what I can see is the thumbnail of my one page of my vision board. And then I see the audio beneath it. Okay, I see the audio beneath it. So if I had multiple pages on my vision board, I can drag, let me just add a new page. I can drag the music thumbnail here along to have it also play on the second and third and fourth and fifth or whatever. Okay, so I just clicked on that to get rid of it. I don't need that other page. Let me just go play it now. The music is actually too short for this. It's not right for the short. I have to look for music that is a little bit shorter. Okay, so let me just take another moment to look here. You can see the timing on each of these. This is 11 seconds. No. Okay, this is 6 seconds. I don't know. Maybe I'll try this one and see. My page doesn't have a lot of animation, so it's not long, but you can just test it out. Actually, it works perfectly. So once I have the animation in place and I've added in any custom animation, I can then add the music and then I can go to share. And in this case, when I go to download, I'll actually be downloading as an MP4. When you have any kind of animation or sound, you want to download as an MP4. So I'll go ahead and click on the download button and it will download. It might take another couple of seconds. And when you download this one, again, you'll have the music and the animation attached to it. As an MP4, you can still upload those to social media, no problem. When you send them, let's say via email to other people, it'll be an attachment, not like an image in the email, the body of the email. So we'll give it that another moment to download. And when it downloads, I will show you what that looks like or how it sounds. Okay. And when it downloads, it'll download to your default downloads folder. Everybody might have a different one. And generally, it also will open up for you. So I'm not sure if you just saw, but it opened up on my screen. And then I can go ahead and press the play button. And then it plays. Okay, so maybe you have a favorite song. Maybe you have a song of the year. Maybe you want to use that instead. You can also upload any songs that you have. Okay, so I hope you found that helpful. The very last thing I'm going to show you in this video series is how to use the record button. So you can do a voiceover to explain your vision board. So stay tuned for the next video.